Hi guys, this is Rania. So in today's video, I will be reviewing two of Maggie's fairly recently launched products. I actually wanted to do four of them, but I couldn't get hold of the other two. They were available on Amazon, but the delivery was almost thrice the price of the product. So I didn't get those. I just got the ones that I could find in my local grocery store. Hey guys, so the first variant of the Maggi noodles review that I'm going to be trying is the spinach atta Maggi noodles. So I'll just show you how it looks. One second. So this is what it looks like. So basically the noodle is green in color. The masala is the same, I'm guessing. But yeah, so it has some carrots in it. It's a little spinachy. I mean, it's not very prominent because the masala doesn't have, the seasoning doesn't have any spinach in it, but the noodles do. But to be honest, I think, how much does it have? Okay, so the noodles have like 1.2% of the spinach. It's good. It's not bad, but I mean, if you really want to have spinach noodles, just add chopped spinach to your regular Maggi noodles, which is like 12-15 bucks. I don't know how much that costs. I think it's between 12 and 15. This is 25 rupees. So it's I'm not saying it's bad, it's good. It's just that, I mean, it's again, it's just that the amount of spinach in the noodles is not that much too. And I know that you can't substitute a lot of spinach, dehydrated spinach in the noodles, because substitute it for atta or flour or whatever in the noodles, because that will really impact the consistency and the shape maybe of the noodles. So what could have been done, that some spinach powder or dehydrated spinach could be added to the sauce maker, taste maker instead. But anyway, it's not a bad product. Once in a while you can have it. And I would give this, wait, I'll have to take one more. I'm going to give this a 6 on 10. I still prefer my original traditional Maggi over this. Okay, so the second variant that I'm going to be trying is this Maggi Fusion Hong Kong Spicy Garlic Noodles. This is how the package looks. Okay, so it looks pretty good. I like the color. I think I would give it an 8 on 10 for appearance. Let's try it out. Okay, so the thing is, it has some flavor, but it's not as flavorful as it should be. Okay, so like the normal Maggi that you get, it has a lot of spice and flavor, and you can actually, the aroma is very potent. But in this one, I can't, I don't get the aroma as much. Plus, when I'm eating it, it's not as, there's no burst of flavor basically, which is what personally at least I prefer. So this one I think I would give a 6 on 10. It's a good idea, it's a good concept, but they could probably just increase the flavoring, or maybe just increase the spices or whatever goes into it, and whatever gives it that flavor, increase that a little bit, because that is what is lacking in this. Otherwise the concept is pretty good, I think. And it has chili flakes for the vegetables and garlic. It has some garlic also, like garlic bits. So yeah, let me know if you've tried this out. Also do like and share this video. Also subscribe to my channel. It really helps my channel grow. And if you have any video recommendations, you can mention them in the comment section below.